A door that starts rubbing minutes before guests arrive can be fixed quickly with a few reliable temporary tricks. First, identify where the rubbing occurs and act on the easiest access point. If the door drags at the bottom, slide folded paper, a few credit cards, or a thin cardboard shim under the door while it is closed to lift it slightly and test the clearance. If the problem is at the latch or strike plate, open the door and tighten any loose hinge screws with a screwdriver. Often, a loose top hinge allows the door to sag, and correcting that screw raises the door enough to stop rubbing. For rubbing along the edge, clean the paint, scuff, or dust with a damp cloth, and then use a bar of soap or a wax candle rubbed along the edge to reduce friction immediately. When hinges are noisy or stiff and contribute to misalignment, apply a small amount of household lubricant to the hinge pins after protecting nearby flooring with a rag. Remove the pin 1/4 to 1/2 inch to coat it, and then reinsert for smoother movement. If the strike plate is too tight around the latch, use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the screws slightly and reposition the plate away from the latch, or insert a thin metal shim behind the plate to shift it briefly. Common mistakes are forcing the door and worsening the fit, which can strip screws or damage paint. So stop forcing it and use shims or tighten screws incrementally. Another mistake is over-lubricating or using the wrong lubricant like cooking oil, which attracts dirt and makes the hinge worse. Use a dedicated household lubricant sparingly and wipe excess. A third issue is hiding the symptom by propping the door permanently open with unsecured objects, creating a safety and privacy problem. Instead, use a temporary rubber doorstop or a proper wedge and schedule a permanent repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors so we can find help for a permanent fix after a quick temporary repair. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips, questions, and experiences about emergency door fixes and contractor recommendations.